Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Satoshi Sean. Always glad to hang out with you. If it's your first time here, please hit the subscribe button and the bell for notifications. I try to get out as much content as possible. If you haven't noticed, I've been pumping out a lot of content like recently because I kind of got behind. But whether that's reviews, interviews, news, like on the crypto lunch break, shows, sometimes me and some friends just get goofy, which is it's always entertaining. Sometimes it's even educational, but sometimes not. It's just entertaining. Announcements, whole buttload of stuff I do. Today, I'm going to go over Kasha or Kasha. It is not a new project, but I think that it is poised to do some massively huge things. I think that this is like the perfect storm time. And there's some things I found in my research that I wanted to bring up. A friend of mine is kind of connected to the project, and they asked me to take a look at it. So I did, and I really I want this to be huge because it's going to be a direct competitor to a platform that I use all the time that I don't really like that much because they've done me dirty, but I still use them all the time because for necessity. And I think that this could give them an actual run for their money. So let's jump into it, shall we? First, make sure you hit that like button. Really, really appreciate it. Make sure you hit the subscribe and the bell for notifications. Also, leave a comment. I give away crypto and NFTs all the time. All you have to do to be entered to win is leave a comment and subscribe, and then you're done. You can even go back and comment on other videos all the way up since the last giveaway, which I give away on the crypto lunch break. And then I choose a random comment picker that picks a comment from the videos, and then if you win, watch crypto lunch break, and you get crypto or NFTs or a new car. Never know. But please comment so you're registered to win. So let's jump into Kasha. Let me make it bigger so that everyone can see. Okay. I'm all the way down at the bottom because I went to look at their social medias. Scrolling up. Okay. So this is a new era of business banking. Do you own a business? No, you don't? Well, don't leave because this is for you too. So this is for, it's for banking the unbanked and all that kind of stuff, that kind of goes without saying, I guess. But this is really in depth, and they're going to offer a lot of services. So it's also for helping the underbanked, which a big area in that would be like small businesses, self-employed, that kind of thing. But it is also amazing for just regular individuals. And I'll tell you why. Now, this is going to be a direct competitor to like Crypto.com, Celsius, Swissborg, and it's going to beat the crap out of them. They're paying way higher interest, and not like stupid high, where it's unsustainable, but much higher than than those other ones are paying. I use Crypto.com. I hate Crypto.com. I've lost, right now it's like $120,000, $150,000. At the time it wasn't, but it was like 10. But I had a hack, which they told me, screw off. I don't think it was a hack, honestly. Just my personal feelings on the matter. And the exact same thing has happened to a few people that I personally know. One of them is my son's best friend. Same thing. Person goes in there, wipes it out, and they tell you, two-factor authentication. So, but I had a pin that was only in my head and only on their service. And that person had to know my pin to pull my money out. So anyway, I digress. I want to get rid of them, but I use them for the card, and I use them to get as an off ramp for crypto and to utilize for for direct payments with the card. So let's talk about Cashaa, because I think that this is going to be a new era for me. So an account for all your local and international banking. This is not, this is not a small project, and this is not a new kid on the blockchain. This has been around for a while. I'm not. I should have looked at that, shouldn't I? How long? Long time. They've been around. They've been working on this. So your account for all your local and international banking, whatever you need, make it easy to provide you with exceptional online banking experience. For UK, EU, and US, and the different. That's the CAS CAS token, Ethereum, Bitcoin, XRP. Finally, everyone's calling it XRP. No one calls it Ripple anymore. I really thought that was never going to take off, but it did. So banking APIs, API-enabled financial infrastructure for fintech innovators. Payment API, you can integrate your wallet for accounting, payroll software. Get notified with incoming payments, manage beneficiaries. So this is next level stuff, man. I worry about that all the time. I've had some health problems the past couple of weeks, and my kids don't give a shit about crypto. So they won't be able to access anything, and they don't even want to talk about it, about how everything they have to do, how it's laid out, where stuff is. So that's a big part of crypto that no one's really tackled. To manage beneficiaries and trigger payments. Data, AML API, you can comply with regulations and directives, meet KYC, and AML requirements. All that taken care of it. Like I said, it's really a big thing for businesses and small businesses, but it's really cool for individuals. So FX and crypto liquidity, international transfers with FX from USD, euros, and great British pounds. So real-time payment network, you can send us 70 currencies, like fiats, and 4 cryptocurrencies anytime, all year long, from your smartphone or from your computer. No more massive wait times, fees, going to the bank, all that kind of stuff. You're able to have power. You have your own power in your hand, and sovereignty of your money. It's built for businesses. We enable conversions of large volumes between currencies with minimal movement on the market price. That's, once again, not like for individuals and stuff. Okay. Like I said, they've been around for a while. They have some really good partnerships. Partners around the world, and these are like real places: distribution, banking, IC, addresses, like real places. So, hey, this isn't the end. I would like to learn more about why to choose a Kasha. Then you can go to all of these news sources. Curious to know if my funds are protected, and they are following license regulations for the EU, and your Great British Pound accounts are held with a trusted partner, authorized and regulated by the FCA. And what's the utility of the CAS token? So account activation, and you can state to activate your banking accounts, similar to crypto.com. It's the same thing. Transaction fees, you can get a discount on those fees by paying with the CAS token, which you cannot use for fees on crypto.com. FX and crypto exchange receive discounts for trading fees. Once again, you can't utilize Crow or anything like that to get those discounts if you're just using the crypto.com app. I'm ready to try it. Let's go. Boom. Register. So, and also their socials are down here. To get this is something I don't like. These little tiny 2 lines that don't even look like anything. You click on that and it's like, oh, everything pops out. So that's where everything is up here if you want to apply and get your stuff going. It's these 2 little lines right there, which, watch this. The 2 little lines, they morph into an X. That's actually kind of cool. And look, they morph back into 2 lines. All right, so let's hit the roadmap. I'll leave links to all these in the description, the website and the roadmap. So this is from November 5th. So it's updated this month. So our team is committed to maintaining the existing business products and services to bring unique features to our global personal accounts. After pioneering the business-to-business operation, our next aim is to push the Cash token and all our product development aligned towards that. In October, we added the following features to personal and business users, which are now live in controlled testing. So CAS loyalty level to be based on the CAS holding. 3 levels of holding up to 10% of the portfolio amount to enjoy yield bonuses by 20% of the native token, which is CAS. What was I reading? Here, this is the thing. This is what I wanted to hit. So we're not only giving the highest APY, but features will make us the first choice of every crypto user. The highest interest rate, daily payment, daily. A lot of other ones, it's like a weekly or monthly, or even every 3 months if you have to lock it up for that. Better loyalty levels, multiple fixed deposit options, purchasing through multiple fiat options, so different gateways. Security with brand trusted. My eyes are so bad, man. It's old. I'm old. So the crypto titans such as Binance, KuCoin, Nexo, Polygon, and many more. We ensured we have the best of everything in our personal accounts for crypto users. Now, here is something that I was really excited about. This is the big thing I was excited about. In October, we also secured a partnership with the release of the Cashaa debit cards. NDAs and MOUs, memorandums of understanding, and non-disclosure agreements are signed with the partner. The partnership model, it's a weird word, and negotiations are in progress, and we will give a release date once the formalities and development work is complete. Thank God. So you can get better interest rates, more on-ramps, and a debit card. It's all going to coming together. This is set to happen like now, even with a trusted project that's been around for a while, a long time. Now, they have a very big community. I wanted to hit this here. They've got 44,000 on their Twitter. Like I said, it's a solid project that's been in development and working for a long time. 2016. Long damn time. Here's the thing, though. Next generation they have this on their Twitter and they're connected to it, is this one. Unicos. Making India crypto friendly with physical branches across major cities. Get ready to grow your digital assets with easy cash liquidity options. So this is brand new, 2,400 followers. But these are brick and mortar crypto banks that are going to be set in India, which India's went through so much crap. And now that China hates crypto, there's no way India's not going to grab it, full force, because China and India, they don't get along too well. I think India is one of the most untapped resources for global peace through power. Anyway, that's a whole political thing. But they're building brick and mortar digital crypto banks, and they're connected to Kasha. So I think that's going to be a big thing in the future that's going to come up. That's just my opinion. That's just what I'm feeling, what I'm seeing, because they're connected. So Kasha is moving forward. They're just about to blow up, I think. Now, speaking of blowing up, after everything I just went over, I'm talking about this brick and mortar banks, the debit cards, higher interest rates than Swissboard, than Crypto.com, than Celsius. Solid project, good reputation, been around forever, blah, blah, blah. The CAS token. 2 cents. Market cap of $18 million. Now you see why I wanted to bring this to you. All this stuff's is set in motion, about to hit a market cap of $18 million. There you go. I definitely think this is a gem. I don't think it's like a overnight. This isn't a metaverse thing or a meme token. This is going to be, months, a couple months, but this is going to be massive. That's what I think. This is my opinion. And I'm not your financial advisor, not your dad. This isn't financial advice, but I think for myself that this is going to be really good. Look at Crow. Crow is, I was buying Crow at under a penny, the bulk of it was like 2-3 cents. And, now it's pushing $1. So I'm seeing the same thing right here. And that was like beginning of the year. It was, people were making fun of me. The Irishman from KISS, Mad Crypto, they were literally making fun of me like every day when we do our new show because I had Crow. It's like XRP. Even if you hate it, you're still going to make money on it. I really think this is gonna blow up over the next year. So I'm going to be holding some. That's about it for Kasha. If you have any questions, head over to their social media outlets and or hit me below. Remember, leave a comment so you're registered to win some crypto. It was good hanging out with you guys, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.